Good morning, student. You're welcome in online classes. My dear students, I am here to solve your all questions and problem related to the subject, your favorite subject, physics. Yes, my dear student, and the today topic is free fall. Yes, the today topic is free fall. Free fall means motion under the influence of gravity. Yes, motion under the influence of gravity. What do you mean by free fall? When a body or object just moving downward from a definite height under the influence of gravity only. Only one force are acting, that is acceleration due to gravity, and the acceleration due to gravity is denoted by acceleration. Which type of acceleration? Uniform acceleration. In case of free fall, the acceleration is uniform acceleration. Acceleration due to gravity is denoted by g, and the value of g will be equals to 9.8 meter per second square on the surface of earth, on the or nearby the surface of, near the surface of earth, near the surface of the earth, the value is 9.8 meter per second square. And my dear student, you all are known about the equation of motion. Yes, equation of motion. Equation of motion. But here equation of motion under the gravity. This formula is very important for our numerical practice also. The equation of motion are two types: upward motion when a body or object thrown by us in upward direction, and downward motion. It is also related to the free fall. We know that one conceptual thing, do you understand? And I hope you will understand this thing. Any body have mass, and the weight is mass into gravity. The direction of acceleration due to gravity is always in downward direction. Please isn't it? Please clear in your mind that the direction of the gravity, acceleration due to gravity, is always downward. So in the case of downward motion, when the acceleration due to gravity g is downward, and the motion is also in that direction, downward also. So in this case, the g is taken as positive, small g taken as positive. Okay. But in the case of upward motion, the acceleration due to gravity g is in downward direction, and you just move from downward to upward, in upward direction. So what happened? Both are opposite to each other. So the value of g will be taken as negative. Okay. And the equation is three equations. We have familiar with equation of motion. We have complete this topic. The v equals to u plus at. Here v equals to u, same but with negative sign minus, and the a is replaced by g. A is, it means acceleration. Acceleration in motion in straight line, motion in plane in direction. But g is working in upward and downward motion. Upward and downward motion. Please, upward and downward motion we have taken z. Here the g is negative, so a is replaced by g and t. This one is the first equation. The next, second is s. S is replaced by h, because in earth surface in a straight line motion we have taken the distance. Distance are displacement and we just represent as s. Okay, but h is used for height. Na? Upward and downward motion is related to the not distance and displacement, that is represented by h. H means height. S equals to ut plus replaced by minus half, a replaced by g and t square. And the last one is v square equals to u square minus 2gh. As 2as, a replaced by g, s replaced by h, 2gh. And in the same manner g is taken as positive, so the equations are v equals to u plus gt. Only the change is sign ut plus half gt square, and last one is v square equals to u square plus 2gh. Here my dear student, u initial velocity here, and the v is equals to final velocity t time, g acceleration due to gravity, simply it is called as gravity, h height. So my dear student, please focus on these terms. This is very useful for us, and now for this chapter, motion in a straight line, and the topic is free fall. When a body just moving in downward direction from a definite height, then that body move under the influence of only one force, that is acceleration due to gravity. So motion under the influence of gravity, that is known as free fall, and it will be proven by a Galileo, a famous scientist Galileo, that if the acceleration is uniform, body is moving with uniform acceleration, then if the two different bodies or object just falling from a same height, then both touch the ground at the same time. But when the air resistance is neglected, yes my dear student, if air resistance is neglected, so please just click the screenshot. This is very useful for you for numerical practice. So again we will meet with numerical practice exercise session. Yes my dear student, please click and just take a screenshot of this portion. Okay, thank you.